Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Anisha. Hope you all are doing great. So today I am up with a new kind of thing. So today I am up with a handbag from Caprese. This is from one of my new purchase. So today I will review this product. I will tell you how I felt about this product, like whether you should buy or not, whether it is a good handbag or not. I will tell you everything. So just keep on watching if you are interested about handbags. So here I am up with this bag. This is how the bag looks. I ordered this one from Amazon and this one was packed in this package of Caprese, where Caprese is written. You can see like this is a regular packaging of Caprese from every bag. So the name of this bag is, here the name is written Crystal Satchel Medium Turquoise. Okay, maybe the turquoise is the color of this bag and this is a satchel bag. Okay, so Crystal Satchel. The price here it is written, you can see. Clearly you can see 4,399. okay, 4,400 is the price over here. It is written, and I have bought this one from Amazon at a huge discount. The price was rupees 1,500, so a flat 2,900 rupees discount. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. You can see this is how it looks. This one is turquoise blue in color. Another color was there, maroon type of color, but I like this color. This one, the texture of this, you can see a checked pattern is over here. This is not a plain bag, a checked pattern is over here, you can see. And here the Caprese logo is given. At the back of it there is a zip. Let me show you the length of this zip. So you can see here till here my hand is coming. So the zip is literally long zip, like not a long one but medium one. But compared to this bag, like the size of this bag and everything, the zip is literally long. So you can easily carry your mobile phone or your safety money or that sort of thing over here, as we generally do. And you can see here the golden charms are given. Not the charms, to hold this handle up, it is golden in color. Most of the bags from Caprese, it is golden in color, and the chains are also golden in color. But in the chains, they are not, Caprese is not written in the chains. So after opening this bag, this is how it looks. You can see. So yeah, this is how it looks. The chain is small, like the length of the chain is small, but the bag is like this kind of shape. So the top part of the bag is small, but the bottom part is like literally a thick one, fat one. So here you're getting, after opening this, here you're getting two pockets to keep money as well as keep your phone or whatever you want, to keep your lipsticks or whatever you want. Then at the middle of it you're getting a chain to keep your money or valuable things that you have. Okay, which is really deep. Then at this side you're getting another chain. Okay, and this chain is literally a long one, not that literally. Generally bags do have a chain over here, but that remains like this. The length of the chain always remains like this, but this one is really a long one. You can see the length, full length. So yeah, talking about the inside fabric, the inside fabric is a thick one, not a regular thin one. It is a thick one, and it is dusky rose in color. Okay, dusky rose or smoky rose, whatever you want to say. So that sort of color. And in the inside fabric, Caprese everywhere it is written. And these chains are not as similar as this chains. You can see this is the outside chain and this is the inside chain. So this one is a square one and this one is some sort of oval one. So okay, but nowhere in the chain Caprese is written, which is I really do not like. Okay, and another tag was there, like regular tags that bags have, Caprese written, like paper tag in which the price, the brand name, blah 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 was written. So I don't have that, I just threw it off, so sorry for that. So this is how the bag looks. You can just throw whatever you want. The inside space is literally a long one. You can see it is very much deep, and the space, you are having a great space just to throw your things up. If you are a college student, then you can just carry it like that, for like if you are going somewhere or for shopping or somewhere. So, and for the mothers also, they can carry this. They can just throw whatever they want, because the space is, you can understand, like this do look small or this do looks damn classy, but this is literally a spacious bag. So this is one negative point of this bag, is that this is a handheld bag. Okay, this is a handheld satchel, but they do not provide any sling bag, like sling sleeve, sling belt, whatever you say. So you can see this bag cannot be taken as a sling bag, so you just have to take it like this in your hand, or like this, whatever you want. But like this it will look so odd, because the bottom part is a fat one. So like this, taking it as a shoulder bag would look odd. So you have to take it for a proper look, you have to take it like a handheld bag. Otherwise it is just wow product. At the price point of rupees 1,500 you are getting this bag. This is just like wow. If you also find this sort of deals, then like literally wow. That too from a brand like Caprice. I also have another bags from Caprice. I really like this brand for bags. They are literally very much long lasting. You can see the quality, the stitching, you can see the stitching all over. It is stitched, and the stitching of their quality, they do make quality products. The chains and all, you can see. Doesn't matter how many times I do this, even this chain, like whichever chain. Okay, so this is literally a nice purchase of mine, I would say. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, then you can surely purchase it from Amazon, from Flipkart. It was even available in Flipkart, in Myntra, it was available everywhere. Even you can find it from Caprice's outlets. So yeah, what are you waiting for? If you like this bag, the color of this bag is literally a vibrant one. Like after looking at this color only, you will get a feeling of energy and all, like yeah, I am going somewhere. So yeah, even this color too makes your regular wear a classy one. Okay, if you're without any makeup or you're wearing ordinary clothes, then also you can take this bag, because this would be the highlighted part of your like full gesture. So yeah, that's all about this bag. I really like this bag. Let me show you once more. This is how the front part of this bag looks. This is the right side. You can see this is the back portion, and this is the left side. And the full texture is checked one, not a plain bag or something like that. Checked bag. Okay. So yeah, and the material, talking about the material, is soft. This is a soft material, but not as soft as like you can just like you can do like this. It's not like that, but this is a soft material, not a hard one that you cannot hold. You can see. So this is indeed a soft one. So I end up here. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And if you are looking forward to purchase this kind of bags, then yeah, you should go for it, because I really like this bag, and hope you will also like this bag. So ta-da!